If you've ever asked yourself, how can I actually learn to sing? You are at the right place because today I'm breaking down simple, practical tips that will help you sing stronger, smoother, and with more confidence. So stick around till the end because I'm also going to share one thing most singers forget to do that instantly improves their voice. First of all, let's talk about breath control. Now, your voice is powered by air, and if your breathing is weak, that will also mean that your singing is shaky. Okay? Now, what do you need to do? You need to practice breathing from your diaphragm. Now, that means you need to let your stomach expand while you inhale instead of lifting your shoulders. Now, this is what you need to try. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and then release it slowly while singing a note. The steadier your air, the steadier your voice. Get it? Slowly. The steadier your air, the steadier your voice. Secondly, you need to warm up your voice. Just like athletes need to stretch before a game, so also singers need to warm up their vocal cords before singing. Now you have to start with humming, lip trills, simple scales. So you might feel this is a little bit boring, but believe me, it makes a very huge difference. It prevents you from having strain and it also helps you to hit notes more easily. Thirdly, you need to train your ear because singing is not just about your voice. It's about listening. So you need to learn to use piano apps or karaoke apps to practice matching pitches. Now, if you notice that you are going off key, what should you do? Don't get discouraged. Keep practicing slowly and your ear will get sharper over time. Remember, you are training your ear. Fourthly, your posture matters. Now, when you want to sing, you need to stand tall. You need to stand tall, relax your shoulders, and open up your chest. A confident body leads to a confident voice. So even if you're nervous, pretend to be confident and your sound will follow. Fifth, you need to record yourself. I know at times it might feel awkward at first, but hearing your own voice is the fastest way to improve your voice. Now you'll notice things you don't like to hear while singing, but when you compare your recordings over time, you'll be shocked at how much progress you made. The secret most singers forget. Consistency is the key. Now, as a singer, you need to practice daily. Even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes a day, it will go a long way and your voice will begin to grow stronger and stronger. So that's how to get better at singing. You have to start with breath control, you have to do warm-ups, work on your posture, recordings of yourself, training your ear, and stay consistent. Now when you do this, you will get better at singing. Now if you did like this video, please do well to click on that like button, share, comment, and most of all subscribe for more videos. To the next one, bye bye.